Now, there is an external posture that I am doing. Now, let me say, now, there is an external posture, okay? Now, this is the external posture. Now, when I am doing the external posture, now observe me now. When I am doing the external posture, internally I should feel the posture. Now, you do not know what I am doing this. This is one kata in martial art, right? Don't understand this. But as I am doing the external posture, internally I should correct myself. See, this posture should be accurate like this. I have to correct this. My leg back has to pull because next time the kick will be more powerful. So, I am doing externally right. Internally, I should correct myself. Are you getting this? Internally, I should correct. Now, the ability to correct in between is an important dimension. It's self-auditing. Now, you all sang bhajans. Right thing there. Now, opening your mouth and saying Guru Mahima, Apara Guru Ma, is one. Internally, you feeling it. And what is that I'm helping you? I want to change the way you feel. Change the way you think. Change the way you feel. Change the way you are. Thinking, feeling and being. So, when bhajan is played, is not what is playing. Are you feeling it? Feeling it. Or simply, everywhere throughout I'll be playing. It doesn't matter what. Are you feeling it? So, when you talk of love, are you feeling love? Kalidasa says, no, Vakarthaiva sampruktav vakartha pratipattaye jagataf pitaro vande Parvati. See how knowledgeable people you are. Parvati Parameshwara, he says. Raghuvamsha, first sloka. Vakartha, the word and the meaning should be united. How? Like Shiva and Parvati are united. When I say I love you, the word love has to have the feeling of love. I am happy. The word happy should have the feeling of love. When I am doing a posture, internally I should correct. That's why in between Laya Yoga, what I said, stop. I said, correct yourself. Are you taking your prana to the Mooladhara? Are you chanting ah and expanding? Correct. The ability to constantly correct is like auditing. Is like auditing. So therefore, please see, external postures correction is one thing. Internal, if you are doing Makarasana, yoga, you are doing Makarasana, crocodile posture it is. But you should feel like a crocodile. You are doing Simhasana. All of you do, take a deep breath, put out, then like this. Come on. Inhale, Simhasana this is. Right? Inside you should feel like a Simha. You should feel like a Simha lion. So external, internal, Vakarta iva sampruktam. Now the purpose of bhajan is what? Changing bhakti, changing the feeling. Also what? Also what? Come on, also what? Feeling, I got it. Then also what? While you are singing, it will fall under, it is Keharavatal. You don't have to know. It's Keharavatal is 8 beats. It's Revati Rag. Whatever Rag, forget it. Right? It is, right, Keharavatal. Are you feeling the beats? Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, da, tha, tin, tin, ta, takka, din. Are you feeling the beat? No, that is the sharpness you have to build in. And then every word, what you sing should have not shabda, should have nada. You should not simply have shabda, it should have nada, means music. Now you have to explore. From nada, you have to go to sunada. From sunada, you have to go into ananda. From ananda, you have to go into paramananda. You see the exploration? Right? When you say boop rak sarega pada sa is boop, sarega pada sa. But when you say sarega pada sa is boop, is only word. But if you say sarega pada sa sa dha pa ga re dha sa. It is swara. Sa re ga pa da sa is boop. But when it says sa re ga, there is nada in it. Are you getting this? Nada. Now, professional singer sings, it will not be nada, it will be sunada. More professional, it will be ananda. More professional, it is Paramananda. Kanakadas, Puragdas. Like Shri Rama, nee nama yenta ruchira. For other people, kuch bhi ruchi nahi. Atte em ruchi ne ledu. Only pesarat tinta ruchi. But for the poet said, Shri Rama నీ నామం ఎంతో రుచిరా, ఎంతో రుచిరా, ఎంతెంతో రుచిరా. For him ఎంతో రుచిరా. పాలు నీ గడల. So therefore he says more tasty than cream. Are you getting, sir? Only Shri Rama నీ నామం ఎంతో రుచిరా. Only Rama. Then he says, పాలుని గడల కన్న పంచదార చిలకల గన్న ఓ రామ నీ తత్వం ఎంతో రుచిరా. He says, పాలుని గడల కన్న. It is more tasty than cream and sugar cane. For other people, sir, no, come on, Shantaram, please get up. What is it I'm trying to say now? That nada, Shri Rama means that nada has to, he has got that. The poet saint has got that nada. He has got sunada, he has got Paramananda, he has got Paramananda he has got. For us, you and I, we may get only swara, Shri Rama ni nama enta rucha. For Kanakadas, Purandadas, Tulsidas, it becomes what? It is Paramananda. So what they have done? From swara, they have gone to nada. From nada, they have got sunada. Sunada, they have gone to ananda. From ananda, they have gone to Paramananda. So what they have done? The Panchatattwas. Panchatattwas, what they have done? They have done explore, no? Yes or no, sir? Yes. That is what I want you to do. So when the bhajan is say you have to explore. Haris, how will you explore? How will you explore? How will you explore? How will you explore? By constant practice, searching. As this beautiful Hindi poet says, जो कागज के फूलों में खुशबू ढूंढ लेते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में बड़ा कुछ पाते हैं, जो अपनी परिवार में फरिश्ते ढूंढ लेते हैं, वही लोग जिंदगी जीते हैं, वही लोग जिंदगी जीते हैं. What a beautiful thing. Now what is it? जो कागज के फूलों में, in a paper flower, खुशबू, not actress खुशबू, खुशबू ढूंढ लेते हैं. ढूंढ means what? They search. जो अपनी परिवार में, in your family, फरिश्ते means angels, ढूंढ लेते हैं, छोटे छोटे चीजों में कुछ ढूंढ लेते हैं, वही लोग जिंदगी जीते हैं, वही लोग जिंदगी जीते. Only those people வாழ்க்கையில வெற்றி இருக்குது, இல்லைன்னா தோல்விதான். Are you getting, sir? So what is it? खोजना है, तलाश करना है, ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅನ್ವೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Are you getting this, sir? Now that is the purpose now. So please look at this. Throughout your life, get this correction. Now your relationship with your mother-in-law and husband, do self-correction, not other correction. Let the person change. Do self-correction. Change the way you feel towards. When Jesus Christ was crucified, he said, forgive them, for they know not what they are doing. Once you do correction inside you, right, that correction inside you will give you the sagacity of inclusiveness, not the stupidity of exclusiveness. Throughout your accounts auditing is given, you have to audit yourself throughout your life. You are a guru or anybody, it will be there. Throughout you have to correct yourself. And this correction is called sadhana. Sadhana bhave sadhya bhava. Never you should give up this tapas.